Good morning, everyone. I am back with another daily Python practice video breakdown. Today I am on week 4 of Data and Motions coding questions. This is the bonus question here. I do leave the link down below in case you guys want to check it out. Let's go ahead and get started on the instructions. So the instruction is to create a function that takes a number as an argument and returns fuzz, buzz, or fizz buzz. If the number is a multiple of 3, the output should be fizz. If the number given is a multiple of 5, the output should be buzz. If the number given is a multiple of both 3 and 5, the output should be fizz buzz. If the number is not a multiple of either 3 or 5, the number should be output on its own. And then it says that the output should always be a string, even if it is not a multiple of 3 and 5. So as you can see, I already created some test cases for us to test our solution once it's complete. So let's go ahead and hop over to our solution function and get started with that logic. So as you can see, I separated each condition as a note on its own line, and that way we can make sure we're taking care of all the conditions and we're not missing one. So under each condition, I'm going to go ahead and fill in that logic. So the first one stated if the number was a multiple of 3, we want to return fizz. So let's go ahead and get started on that if condition. So we're going to say if the given number divided by 3 has a remainder of 0, we're going to return, as it stated, fizz, not fix, fizz. And then down here, we're going to jump into the logic of this one. This one says if it's a multiple of 5, we want to return buzz. So we'll say if given number, divided by 5 is equal to 0, which has a remainder of 0, we're going to return buzz. Okay, and then the third one says if it's both a multiple of 3 and 5, we want it to be fizz buzz. So we're going to say if, again, the given number divided by 3 has a remainder of 0, and the given number divided by 5 has a remainder of 0. So with this one, with if conditions, we want both sides of the and sign to be equal to true. So for if it's a multiple of 3, we want that part to be true. And also if it's a multiple of 5, we want that to be true. And that's the only time this if condition will run. So then we're going to return, what did it say? Fizz buzz. And then lastly, if the number is not of either, the number should output on its own, okay, as a string. So then we'll say else. We want to return the string of that given number. We also can do a condition of if 0 is entered up here at the top. So we'll say if given number is equal to 0, I'll return please provide a number over 0. And that should catch that condition. All right, so everything looks like it's good. Let's go ahead and run this and see what we get down here in the console. So we will say Python 3, and we want to feed in the file name, week 4, and let's see what we get. We're getting, I noticed with the third one, we're just getting fizz, and that is because it's checking for that first condition first. So with 9, we're checking to see if it is a multiple of 3. And we see that here, so it's going to check that first condition. If it's 0, no. Is it a multiple of 3? Yes, so it's returning fizz. And then with the second one, we're checking 25. So we're saying is 25 equal to 0? No. Is it divided by 3 equal to 0? No. But is it divided by 5? Is that equal to the remainder of 0? Yes. So it's going to give you buzz. But for the third one, you notice that 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5, and we're still getting fizz. And that is because it is, again, going in order, checking if it is equal to 0. And then it's checking if it is the if the number is divided by 3 is the remainder of 0. Yes, so it's hitting this condition first, and that's why it's not getting down to the 3 and 5. So something we can add is we can add another end condition. So now essentially what we're doing is from the beginning, we're checking to see if the given number is 0. If it's 0, we're going to say please provide a number over 0. Then we're going to check, is it a multiple of 3 and not a multiple of 5? And it's going to return fizz. And then we're checking if it is a multiple of 5 and not a multiple of 3. Then we'll return buzz. And then here, if it's a multiple of both, fizz biz. And then if it's not of either, we're going to say the string of the given number. So let's try to run this again and see if that fixed the issue. And there you have it. It's not working as intended. Let me know how you would have went about solving it. Let me know if you have any tips for me. Bye bye.